Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. My name is GEREL MATTA. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing, and yep, you already know, the BOXYCHARM unboxing, but this one is the jumbo one, like the super huge one that everybody was going crazy for, and unfortunately a lot of people did not get. I was fortunate enough to actually get on the waiting list, and then after that I got an email saying that I was going to be able to get the Lexy box. So I'm super excited about this box. I do apologize if you did not get your hands on this. They said to actually sign up for it, and then you will be put on a waiting list, and it should be available again on December. I'm hoping the BOXYCHARM gets everything sorted out. That way everyone that is interested in this box can actually get it next time, which it should be in December. So if you are interested in seeing what I got in my box, please keep on watching. But before we get into the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel if you have not already, and of course you can click on the little bell so you can get notified whenever I upload a new video, which is every single week. And yeah, without further ado, let's get on to the video. So yes, let's go ahead and open it up. It is super big. So the first thing that I see in top of the box is this, and when you open it up it says Wildflower Beauty Luxe. Now, so on the screen you're going to see what the price of each item is and what they actually retail for, and also in the description area I will let you know exactly how much this box is worth. So the first thing that I see here is by Beauty Bulgur, and this one is an eyeshadow palette, and these are what the shade looks like. To tell you the truth, this palette does not talk to me because it is very cool tone and smoky, but I know a lot of people are interested in this palette, and I saw so much people just being so happy about this palette. Me personally, it's very cool tone and smoky, so I don't know how, it doesn't really speak to me, but I'm not going to know until I actually play with it. So I might actually just end up playing with it and see how the pigmentation is and how it actually works, and I will keep you posted on that. So the next product that I have here is by Lexy, and this one, it's a really nice brush. It's like rubbery, like the same material as the NARS like packaging. So, and then with the rose gold over here, and this is a foundation brush, I guess. So it is an airbrush foundation, Lexy 732. So it's a really nice brush. I do like their brushes, so I'm very excited about that one. The next product that I have here is from Alomar Cosmetics, and I love Alomar, as you already know if you have been watching my channel for a little while. I do like the Alomar palette that we got a couple of boxes back, and I love that palette so much that it has been in 2 of my favorite videos because it is that good. So yeah, I'm excited to actually try these brushes, and they are called the Ojitos brushes. So of course eye brushes, ojitos. So yes, let me see how they feel. So yeah, they feel really nice. This blending brush is like super nice and fluffy, so we'll try them and I'll keep you posted. We also have this Death Valley dry shampoo. And this one right here, it's just a regular dry shampoo. I do not know how it smells. I just cleaned my hair, so I'm not going to put anything on it because it's still a little bit damp. But don't judge the hair today, okay? I do apologize for that. So the next product that I have here is by Grande Lips, or Hydra Plum Liquid Lipstick. This is a semi-matte lipstick, and I have the shade, let's see, I don't know if it actually has a shade, but it's supposed to make your lips look bigger. So that's why the name of it, Grande Lips, like big lips. So that is what the color looks like right there. It's like super dark, perfect for this time of year if you like to wear your dark lipstick. So I am interested in that. It's like a burgundy brownish kind of shade, so yeah, more like on the burgundy side. All right, so the next product that I got, I'm so excited about this one. This one is by Galactic. I love Galactic so much. I love their liquid lipsticks. They are so good. So yeah, this one right here, it's a good one. So I have the shade in Moonlight, and this is what it looks like right here. So I'm excited about this. Oh yeah, they feel super nice. You're not gonna be able to see it, but I cannot wait to actually use this one. They are cream, it's not a powder, so it's just a cream, which I'm super happy because I got a little notification if I wanted to see what I was getting on my email, and that was it. So I'm actually glad that I actually got what they emailed me. So yes. Now we got also a little tote bag. This is the little tote bag that I got. It's cute. So the next product that I got, which I'm so excited about, is this right here. Believe it or not, I don't have anything like this, and I love to put my hair back or in a bun or something when I'm doing my skincare. So I'm excited to actually be trying this one on future videos, maybe Instagram or something. So just in case you're not following me, you can follow me on my Instagram, which is a makeup by Gerel. Yeah. So yeah, the next product that I have here is by Nicole Concilio and the collaboration that she had with Smashbox, and this is the Photo Finish Serene Greens Primer Water right here. So just in case you haven't seen it, so it's a really nice green bottle that has like palm trees. So let's see how it actually smells. Smells like straight up cucumbers. It should be good, right? Because cucumbers are like super good for your skin. So I'm excited about that one, as long as the scent does not linger, because after a while the scent could get on my nerves, so we should be okay. So the next product that I have is by Tarte, and this is the Park Avenue Princess Contour Palette. I love this palette so much. I actually have it. It is over here on my makeup collection, so I'm not gonna open it. Let me show you the one that I actually have, so then you can see. I am going to put this one away for a giveaway, and it's either going to be on my Instagram or here. I still have not decided yet, but I do have a couple of things that I've been saving up. So just in case you are not subscribed to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Just come enjoy my little family. We're very chill here. I'm a mom of 2, and if you like to talk about makeup, if you like to see people put makeup on, this is the channel for you. So yeah, let me go ahead and put this one away, and I'm going to grab mine so I can show you how it looks like. So this is what the palette looks like. It's very reflective, so I don't know if you can actually see it. And this is, the packaging is super nice. It actually has like the letters. I don't know if you can see it from the side, but it comes out. So the packaging is like super nice and amazing. The colors over here work really, really nice for my skin tone. And these are the shades right here. I don't know how this palette will work for someone that is a little bit deeper on complexion than me. But, you know, if you want to try it, might want to subscribe to my channel, might want to follow me on Instagram, so then you don't miss out on a future giveaway that I will be doing. So yeah, let me put this over here because I don't want to break it. So the next product that I have here, I'm really excited about because I almost picked it up at Sephora. It was actually on my love list, and I decided to take it out because I do have so many products like this, but I'm really excited about it though. So this one is the Ipanema Sunset Glow Oil, and it is by Salta Janeiro. It's a really nice little full-size bottle right here, which is pretty cool. So let me open it up. So that is what it looks like right here, and I cannot wait to actually try it on and see what all the fuzz is about. The only thing that is pretty much what everybody has been complaining about is the packaging. It does not have like a pump or anything. I'm not gonna open it because I do not want to create a huge mess here because I will totally cry. But this is what the bottle looks like. So if it actually had a pump, it will be so amazing and ideal, but unfortunately it doesn't. So yeah, just make sure that you are super careful if you decide to actually keep it and try it on. So yeah, I'm excited. So the last product that I have in my box is from Juice Beauty. Now I've never actually tried anything from Juice Beauty, but I've seen that everybody is super happy about this, and I'm like, why is everybody so happy? So let's go ahead and check it out. So this is the Stem Cellular Anti-Wrinkle, which is totally up my alley. Anything anti-wrinkle, I'm like all about. Booster serum. So yes, I'm very excited about this product. I cannot wait to actually try it. Let me see how the packaging looks like. All right, so it's very nice and sleek. So it does remind me of a, I don't know, deodorant that my dad used to have. I don't know, it's kind of weird. The packaging is super weird, but the packaging doesn't really matter as long as the product inside is really good. Then it doesn't matter how it looks on the outside. So yeah, super pumped about this one. I cannot wait to tell you guys all about it. So yeah, that is it for the unboxing. I'm really pumped about this box. I like a lot of the products that we received from this box. I'm really excited about it. So I cannot wait to actually play with them and keep you guys posted. So yeah, but that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel if you have not already. And I will see you next time. Bye. Hakuna Matata.